this car is almost all original. The only thing that has been changed was the dash has been replaced at one point. The original seats, seat belts. I think also the carpet was replaced. Has 80,000 original miles on it. Absolutely gorgeous car. My dad got this back, and it does have the wood steering wheel. My dad, back in the early 80s, had this as a daily driver. And now he keeps it and take it out every now and then, but it does run. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous vehicle. So yeah, let me know if you like it. Here it is in all glory. The first owner did wreck it here in the front, but there's a little bit of fiberglass work that would need to be done here in the front, but all original, the paint. It's just a sweet looking car. There we go. Pump. I am cruising in fourth gear. But man, one of the most amazing things about this car is how low the RPMs. I'm not trying to race it right now, but I'm going, 55-ish. I'm in fourth gear and I'm at 1500 RPMs. This car, if you're racing, you're spending most of your time in, second, third gear, and you can easily be up probably in 4,000 or 5,000 RPMs and be at racing speeds. So very fun car, very fun car.